equals does your device need fixing? We offer a free diagnosis. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls or travel needed. We send you a quote before repairing, and only go ahead if you approve it. Easy, transparent, and professional. Link in description. To begin, gather the necessary tools: a small Phillips screwdriver, a plastic spudger, and a can of compressed air. Ensure you have a clean workspace to avoid losing any small components. First, power off your Lenovo device completely. This is crucial to prevent any electrical damage while you work on it. Once it's off, unplug any cables connected to the device. Next, locate the screws on the back panel of your Lenovo device. Using the Phillips screwdriver, carefully remove these screws. Keep them in a small container to avoid losing them. If you're unsure about the number of screws, refer to your device's manual for guidance. After removing the screws, gently use the plastic spudger to pry open the back panel. Start at one corner and work your way around the edges. Be cautious not to apply too much force, as this could damage the casing. Once the back panel is removed, locate the charging port. Inspect it visually for any debris or damage. If you see any dust or lint, use the can of compressed air to clean it out. This can often resolve charging issues. If you notice any bent pins or physical damage, it may require professional attention. If you reckon this is too hard, remember we offer pickup and delivery at your home, so you don't have to worry about transporting your device. Next, check the connection of the charging port to the motherboard. Ensure that it is securely attached and there are no loose connections. If you find any issues, it's best to consult a professional. We provide a professional diagnosis without obligation, so you can get a clear understanding of what needs to be done. After checking the port, it's time to reassemble your device. Carefully place the back panel back on, ensuring all clips are secured. Replace the screws you removed earlier, tightening them gently to avoid stripping them. Finally, power on your device and test the charging port with your charger. If it charges correctly, you've successfully checked the port. If not, consider reaching out for a quote before repair. Remember, no calls, no travel. We make it easy for you to get your device serviced. This process not only helps you understand your device better, but also ensures it remains in good working condition. Regular maintenance can prevent future issues and extend the life of your Lenovo device. Does your device need fixing? We offer a free diagnosis. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls or travel needed. We send you a quote before repairing, and only go ahead if you approve it. Easy, transparent, and professional. Link in description.